All right, well, let's see. What's the degrees out here? Maybe 70, low 70s with a breeze.
72.
But anyway, I don't know. I think we're gonna suffer through riding, and I'm gonna beat you this time because it's so cold.
Alright, we got a catcher. She got a head start on it. Oh my goodness. I couldn't get the camera going. Well, we're still gonna catch her. We're gonna catch her right here. Woo! Oh God. Oh God. Let's go.
Alright, so I'm out of breath because it's the second time up the steps. Cameron wouldn't have work on the first one, so we're doing a second round. I did get ahead of Tyler. It's cold, but this one is doable because you really don't get totally
we might make
like water over your head and everything.
We may turn this video into a what to do in the cold.
What to do in the cold at Water Country USA.
Yeah.
You guys are all good? Alright, alright. Ready? Ready, set, go!
No. Alright, we gotta pick up the towel. We gotta go. We caught her. We caught her. We're gonna be good. Where's that? We're still in the lead. Yeah, we got this one. Yeah, we won this one. That's right. Take that. And you left first.